A clothing cupboard is more than just a storage solution. It's a key element in organizing your space. Whether you're looking for modern wardrobe designs or a stylish wooden almari, the right wardrobe can transform your room. From sliding door cupboards to custom-built wardrobes, options are endless. Wardrobe ideas often include closet organization systems like shelves, drawers, and hangers, ensuring every item has its place. Walk-in closets are a dream for those who need extra space, while built-in wardrobes are perfect for maximizing room dimensions. Wardrobe accessories, including door organizers and adjustable shelves, enhance storage efficiency and keep your space tidy. No matter the size or design, choosing the right cupboard can make your room feel organized, stylish, and functional.